Hi guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So I'm going to be doing a haul for you today, a Dollar Tree haul. I picked up a few things at the Dollar Tree and I promise I won't drag it out. I'll probably show you everything in a category, and it's only 3 categories, so that's not going to take long. And I just wanted to tell you guys that, you know, I've been doing some DIYs, and so I've been like really into DIYs in the past. I just never showed them on my channel. So my husband suggested, he said, you know, you should really put this on your channel. He said, I think people might be interested. And so I'm doing that. Yeah, and you guys have been showing my channel some love, and I appreciate that. So I'm going to be I'm just going to incorporate my DIYs on my channel. So, but anyway, I'm so glad that you like them, and thank you for you know, coming through and checking them out. So guys, as you can tell, I have a backdrop up today. Now let me tell you about this backdrop, guys. I only just found it because I was doing some spring cleaning. So I got this backdrop after I saw someone a few years ago. She had a rose gold or blush colored sequence backdrop, and I said, oh, I gotta get one. And I did get it. I just never used it once it came. I think it was probably in the midst of cleaning a few years ago, and then it just got put in a place where I only just discovered it. Anyway, along with that, I found, I think I mentioned on my channel, my last video, I found some Bath and Body Works candles, so I'm definitely going to be using those. I got them out, and I just found quite a few things that I bought and I just put away. But anyway, they're out. I'm going to use them. And yeah, guys, so let me just go into the haul. I don't want to make this a long video. I'm just glad to be back. Okay, so the first thing I got, I'm going to start with maybe some of the odd items. First thing I picked up, one of the reasons why I go into the Dollar Tree, I just marched right into the back where they have all the cleansing products, the soaps, the kitchen cleansers and stuff. I go get awesome. You guys know when I do hauls that I come back with this. I love this. You get this amount. I mean, just unbelievable for $1. In my supermarket, they sell this size for $3.99. So I got my awesome. Next thing I got was some shelf liners. I got them in black. I plan on using one of them on my work table when I do my DIYs. They make items more visible because of the color, and they also prevent like little smaller items that can roll from rolling off the desk. So like when I'm working with the gems, sometimes gems will pop around the desk and roll onto the floor. This prevents a lot of that kind of stuff. So I will be using one of these in my when I'm doing DIY crafting. Next thing I got was this. They sell this in my supermarket for $3.99, and I've seen it in Stop and Shop, I think, for $4.99. But these are like little gripping pads. They're made from the same material as this. This is just a little bit thicker, but this helps you just open jars or open things that are kind of tight, like nail polish. Sometimes nail polish is kind of stuck tight. You can't open it. These things help you open hard to open items. The next thing I got was this silver picture frame, which I plan on decorating. Put a picture of my husband and I, a picture that he likes to use when he sends email. He calls it our official picture. I wanted to put that in this frame, but I plan on decorating this frame. And the next thing I picked up were these votives. They have candles in them, glass votives, really nice. I picked up 2 of these. Got 2, kind of got like 2 of everything just about. I mean, like for $1, right? Really. So I got 2 of these. So I'll be using these in some work that I plan on doing for myself. Next thing I got was glass, and I picked up 1 vase, which I plan on spray painting silver. So I got this vase for some of the flowers that I'm going to show you later. Next thing I picked up was some votives. Look at this, guys. Isn't this pretty? I got 2 of those. This is so nice. I want to create something with this. I probably will show you guys as I do it. The next thing I got was a couple of more votive, really nice, fun, unique. I got these for the bathroom. My bathroom is mostly a seafoam green. Now, even though this is a deeper turquoise color, this definitely would be an extra pop of color in the bathroom. They're silver lined, well, not real silver, of course. They're painted silver inside, sort of give you that mercury glass look. And if you can see the shell on the outside, the scallop shell, I love this. This is so nice. So I got this for the bathroom. I did pick up some floral foam, so I got a few pieces of floral foam. And I got some reindeer moss. And reindeer moss is just a shredded moss, guys. I got that. And I only got one bag of this because moss goes a long, long way for me. And so, and last but not least, I picked up these flowers. Let me see if I can back up so that you can see them. I got these flowers. I got 7 bushes of hydrangeas, mostly white, and I did pick up some purple lavender color also. Mostly hydrangeas. Some cynthias also are in there, but they're mostly hydrangeas, and those are so pretty, guys. Okay, guys, so I was just looking around to see, make sure I got everything. I did get some Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. I didn't get that in this haul. I bought that a while ago. Definitely coming back to you with a haul, a MAC haul and a Sephora haul that I'm going to combine. And I'm looking around because I said I know I'm going to forget something. Alright, guys, so that's it. That's really it. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I appreciate it. Take care of yourselves. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.